Did you know that 2,500 years ago, the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates prescribed ketosis through fasting to treat epilepsy and other diseases? Today, people are using ketosis as a way to burn fat as fuel, to lose weight, and many are achieving amazing results. Not only are people losing extra pounds, but many are experiencing other health benefits, like reduced inflammation and relief from chronic disease. A major reason people are seeing these results is because they're cutting out processed foods with sugar and other unhealthy additives. In today's fast-paced, fast food world, it's difficult to find the right nutrients to stay in ketosis. Many people are also concerned with the potential negative consequences of consuming too much fat from animals. That's why we created Clean Keto, made from 100% clean plant-based ingredients. Staying in ketosis is all about eating the right macros in the right amounts. We start with MCTs from coconut oil. MCTs are medium-chain triglycerides, which allow penetration into the cell's membranes quickly. This gives your body quick-burning energy without the need for enzymes for absorption. We added protein from these 3 sustainable sources. FAVA bean. FAVA bean protein is high in fiber and protein and is an excellent source of iron. It naturally raises dopamine, which naturally boosts HGH levels for anti-aging effects. Fermented pea protein. Fermented pea protein contains branched-chain amino acids. Pea protein helps you feel fuller, longer. It supports your metabolism and helps maintain a healthy weight. It promotes muscle growth and it supports healthy blood sugar levels. Protein peptides from fermented brown rice. Protein peptides promote cellular hydration and regeneration due to their concentration of aminos, glutamine, and alanine. These small-chain proteins are more absorbable, so they are easily utilized by the body. Their bioavailability supports healthy weight and general well-being. We've also added essential vitamins and minerals to support the nervous system and healthy red blood cells. These include vitamin C, calcium, iron, and other minerals from aquaman from algae to support bone and joint health. Now, staying in ketosis is clean and easy with Sunwarrior's plant-based clean keto protein peptides. This statement has not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases.